America's favorite sports car just got even sharper. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C8 is here, and it's more refined, more aggressive, and still delivers that supercar feel without the six-figure price tag. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, your go-to spot for everything fast, fresh, and future-focused. Design. Let's kick things off with the design. The C8's mid-engine layout still turns heads, but for 2026, Chevy gave it a subtle facelift. You'll notice tighter lines, a more sculpted front fascia, and new lighting elements that bring out its exotic roots. Around back, the quad exhaust remains, a gentle reminder this car still means business. New wheel designs and paint options round out the updates, giving the C8 a more upscale, track-ready look. Performance. Under the hood, or rather, behind the seats, the naturally aspirated 6.2L V8 is still the star. It now makes a bit more power thanks to refined tuning, pushing output just over 500 horsepower. The result? A 0 to 60 time in under 3 seconds with the Z51 package. The dual-clutch 8-speed transmission shifts lightning fast, and with the revised suspension setup, cornering feels even more precise. It's everything you expect from a Corvette, just dialed in tighter. Features and technology. Inside, it's modern and driver-focused. The cockpit wraps around you, with a digital cluster, a crisp 8-inch touchscreen, and an upgraded infotainment system that's smoother and faster than before. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and Chevy's updated performance data recorder is a dream for track enthusiasts. You also get driver assists like blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise, just enough tech without getting in the way. Conclusion. The 2026 Corvette C8 is proof that Chevrolet knows exactly what its fans want: thrilling performance, exotic design, and unbeatable value. It's still a Corvette, but it feels more like a statement. What do you think? Has Chevy nailed it again, or is it time for the next evolution? Let us know in the comments. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest takes on the hottest cars hitting the road. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the fast lane.